All right, my name is Jeff, and here I am again. I am from theboxmen.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. Thank you for tuning in. This is the first part of this video about how to resolve general audio sound issues. I already made the second part of the video, which you'll see, where I was on the unit and giving some instructions there. Some of the things when you purchase a lot of the Formuler boxes from us can be found on the Formuler website. There are certain things that we reference the Formuler support website or we know ourselves. And I've gone over this, I don't know, numerous times, numerous different times. And unfortunately, it's really difficult to try to get everyone on the same page. We have an online forum that goes over this. But for some reason, there's always a little crack in the floor where people just see through. And when something doesn't go right, they want to blow up the chat the wrong way or call after hours when we have direct hours. And I just think it's a fallacy for you guys not to have the support that you want. So I'm going to see what I can do to help you out. And this is what I mean. On the Formuler site, this is something that we have seen this whole time. And let's just go over what they have. How to resolve general audio sound issues. Number one, they say check your connectivity. Let me make this a little bit bigger, okay? Check your connectivity. So check your HDMI cables and cable connections. Try with a different cable and input port on your TV. That's the first place you want to go, okay? Maybe you have an older TV. Maybe you have older cables. It's always good to upgrade those. I would say not so much the ports, but the cables. At least once a year. Change your cables, okay, because they wear out. The second thing they recommend is something that is already on your device. Install this app, Audio Optimizer app. In case you have audio issues in My TV Online and certain channels, install and run Audio Optimizer app from the home market, execute once, and reboot the box. You can find the download here, Home Market Audio Optimizer. Also, when you press the red button, you can see what the sound on that channel is. The audio track options will be available. So install that app, and that should handle between 92 to 95% of your audio issues. The next thing is you want to check your TV audio device settings, because these days in 2023, most TVs are smart TVs. They call them smart TVs because they connect to your home network. And so they're usually voice automated, voice activated, and they're smart TV because they have different apps. So you want to go through these settings here where you enable the auto volume and all that. If all else fails, you can do a factory reset, which I wouldn't recommend doing, especially if you get one from us, because it's configured, okay, from the manufacturer. And so you can reset it without factory resetting, but you need to consult the provider if you have an issue with the stream source. Again, we don't create any of the stream sources that you may be using. If that stream source that we might recommend to you is having issues, it's at the stream source level, not our level, okay? But the level maybe several rings or rungs above us. So basically, streaming says if you have these issues, get the application, make sure that it works well. If it doesn't, you got to wait it out until they fix that source. That's it. This is what I wanted to share. A lot of this information, again, if you purchase a Formuler unit from us, if you can't find it in our library of videos, we're going to reference the Formuler website for support tickets and just support in general. Thank you guys so much for watching the first part of this. Let's connect the second part and close out the video. Have a good day. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi guys, we're in the part of the video where we're going to show you just the application that you could use and a couple of things you can do to fix sound issues. Now, this is going to be on any model of the Formuler device, whether this is the Formuler Z11 Pro Max. And there's an application in the market, and it's already on my device, that you can definitely install and reboot, and it should fix, I would say, about 92 to 95% of the sound issues that go along with owning a device like this. Before we get right into Audio Optimizer, there's another thing you can do as well. So what I want to do is go to the home page here, and I'm going to go down to Settings here. And the first thing another thing you can do is go down, let's see here. I'm in Wi-Fi, so let me back up a little bit here. I'm on Wi-Fi, sorry. I'll go to Settings cog, I'm going to press OK. Now you'll see Network and Internet, Account Sign In, Apps, Device Preferences. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now you have the About, Date and Time, Language, Keyboard, HDMI, Store, Display, and Sound. So you have your screen resolution there. But if I want to go to this sound, let's take the advanced display settings. So allow game mode is on. And then we got system sounds, advanced sound settings. We can select the format, but you never use surround sound. So that's the only time you would use it. Most of the sound is done from the HDMI to the TV port. So your trouble might be the HDMI port on your device, where you can change your HDMI cord or switch ports, but mainly, I would say about 95 to 96% of the issues can be fixed using this application right here, Audio Optimizer, which is found here in the market. I've already installed it. When you go here, it's already optimized. So when you install it, you're going to reboot it and select to put it on your device. So I don't have the mismatch of the sound or whatever it might be whenever you're watching some live TV. So let me demonstrate really fast. I'm going to go over to My TV Online 3, press OK. It should go to AccuWeather.
Now I get to show one to you.
Once you're in AccuWeather, okay, if I press the red button, it's going to take you to the audio track. If I press OK, you'll see that I have AAC stereo. So that is what I should, the output should be. That shows me the audio track, and it also shows me that you can tell if it's, not matching. You can watch when she's saying something. The reason that's really working out a lot better is because I've installed Audio Optimizer. All right. So make sure if you have this Formuler device that you not only install the Audio Optimizer application, but please check your connections, meaning your HDMI cords and your TV ports. Those things matter as well. Now, I hope this video was helpful. It's our hope and our desire that you learn something every time we come either on YouTube or on Rumble or of different platforms that we're on, and those platform links can be found in the description below. Now, as I close out the video, I want to invite you and anyone that's watching. In the next video, I'm going to give you a chance to send in a keyword or to text in your first name, last name, and that way you can win a brand new Formuler GTV, okay, at the end of February. So stay tuned for the next video. And if you're interested in getting a device, give us a call at the number that you'll see in the description. We'd be happy to help you.